model, 67 Plate Ford Transit 350 Luton box van tail lift non-runner Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 183651. MOT, the 21st of January 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire. Bottom end bearings are squealing, probably would start October, but either way engine needs repairing, bottom end has gone green. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Clean and well cared for van showing pride of ownership. Features: 1 former keeper,